Oh my god, I took a lot. Wish me luck. Hi guys, it's me Vasilikis, and in this video we are going to be testing the Catrice Disney Villains Ursula Eyeshadow Palette. Catrice Cosmetics did a sister collaboration with Essence Cosmetics, and they have released a Disney collection for the villains. Essence Cosmetics released for the princesses, and I really like the fact that Catrice did the villains. We never see them in makeup collections. This palette retails for $14 and it is cruelty free. It is made in PRC and we are getting 18 grams of product. For the palette I'm going to show you the swatches and also how to do this eye look that I have created. Ursula is all over the palette and these are the beautiful colors that we have. Also we get a mirror. The packaging is absolutely stunning. I used to be obsessed with the Little Mermaid Disney movie. I was watching it over and over again, and I remember I had an album with a lot of stickers of the movie. I don't remember where I bought those. In this video I'm gonna be using the Evil Queen highlighter with Evil Queen. It looks amazing. And also the Ursula Satin Lipstick. In this collection you could find 3 eyeshadow palettes for the Evil Queen, Ursula and also Maleficent. I was able to find just this one because all of the products were sold out so fast. And they also had 3 lipsticks, 3 face masks, 3 highlighters and also 3 brushes that I actually got. I have done a review for these in the e.l.f. Mint Melt collection. I'm going to have a link in the description box so you can see the brushes as well. Let me know in the comments if you have any favorite products by Catrice Cosmetics. Share this video with a friend that likes drugstore products and also don't forget to subscribe for more makeup reviews and tutorials. And let's start with the palette. I have done some swatches. I'm not very excited about some of the eyeshadows. They were not swatching so easily. I think the color story is very nice. We don't have eyeshadows that look very similar. I'm starting off with eyeshadow grid. This one also has a very nice stamp of a seashell. I'm blending this in the crease area with a brush by Wet n Wild. This one is not so noticeable on my eyes. It looks like I haven't applied anything. It was also very light on my hand, as you can see. Next I'm taking this one. It is called Hideous. With the same brush, I'm going again in the crease. This one is darker and we can see the color on my eyes. However, it's not as dark as it looks in the pan. That's disappointing. Moving on to eyeshadow Cave. This one also has a seashell stamp and I'm going in the crease. Finally, I can see some color here. I'm using a blending brush by Essence. This one is from the Sensation collection. Okay, this is actually very noticeable and I think I should have used a smaller brush. This one blends nicely. I want to take again eyeshadow Hideous with the same brush and blend the edges some more. Something is going on. I think it looks patchy here and also on this area. So I want to continue with some eyeshadows and then we will blend some more. And here we have Eyeshadow Octopus and with brush E54 by Sigma. I'm pressing this on the outer eyelid. This is not as shimmery as I was anticipating, but you can see the eyeshadow. I was expecting something more intense, but let's see. With the fingertip, it looks much better. I'm blending the edges with the brush. On the other side, I'm gonna use it with my fingertip only. I need to apply some more layers to have the same intensity. So I think the best way to make this eyeshadow work for you is to apply a little bit with your brush and then take some with your fingertip and press on top of it. Otherwise, it's not so easy to make it dark and noticeable on the eyes. This eyeshadow also has some micro glitter. It is a little bit powdery and dry. After that, I want to take eyeshadow Flotsam. The thing is that it was not even swatching so easily. And I'm placing this on the inner eyelid. Yeah, that's not gonna happen with the brush. It's time for the fingertip. And I'm going to press it on the inner eyelid again. It's super dry. So I need to see if I have any sponge tip applicators because I don't remember where I have placed them. I found one and I'm taking some of this eyeshadow. I'm just pressing. I don't like it. I think it makes my eyes very dusty and drier. I'm going to add just a light layer on the other side as well. I want to try and use this eyeshadow. It is called Morey. I'm not so sure. This one is very dusty. Ooh, finally, we can see the sheen. It's a very powdery eyeshadow. And I'm just pressing because I don't want to have fallouts. I'm curious to see if I can use this glittery eyeshadow with just my fingertip. It is called Ocean. Oh my god, I took a lot. Wish me luck. Okay, it's not so bad. I just feel that I don't have a lot of control. This one can work better with an actual glitter base. I'm taking a Q-tip to remove the extra glitter. I have a lot of fallouts from the previous eyeshadows because they were very dusty. I think I did a better job on this eye. I have some glitter fallouts. It's not easy to remove them, so definitely do your eye makeup before your face makeup, especially if you want to use the glittery eyeshadows. This one here is eyeshadow Tentacle. The names of the palette are absolutely spot on. I'm buffing this on the outer lower eye with a double-ended brush by Urban Decay. This is definitely not the color that you see in the palette. It is not even swatching like the palette. It is a very dry eyeshadow. I don't know what happened with this one. I want to add some more on the other eye just to have the same eyes. This one has a light satin finish. My main issue is the color payoff. It's not there. I want to give more definition to my eyes, so I'm taking this eyeshadow. It is called Darkness with the same brush. I'm adding this on the same area. The glitter are not staying on my eyes. They are flying everywhere. I have a lot of them on my lashes and they are falling on my under eye area. This shade looked very promising in the swatches. Let me show you. Yeah, we have something here. So I want to take it with the same brush, and this time I'm gonna apply it on the inner lower eye. This one actually looks super nice. I wish that we had this finish for the other shimmery eyeshadows. It is also a little bit dusty, powdery, and it is going everywhere, but at least it is noticeable and shimmery. Following that, I'm taking eyeshadow Voice with a pencil brush by Morphe. I'm applying this in the inner corner. This one is very dusty and not so shiny. I think Ariel lost her voice to become a human. I haven't watched it in 20 years or something. Yes, I'm old. Then I'm taking eyeshadow Wave with the same Urban Decay brush. And this is such a pretty eyeshadow. I'm going over the edges of the lower eye and I just covered the beautiful work that I have done here in the outer eye. So I'm going to apply again eyeshadow Darkness. This eyeshadow is not so noticeable. Also dusty. Dusty is the theme of the palette as it seems. So I'm taking again eyeshadow Darkness. I am so glittery. I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush and I'm taking again Darkness. This is a blending brush by Profusion. I'm blending this in the outer crease, and this way I'm trying to make my eyes more uplifted because they are looking now very droopy. I'm taking eyeshadow Hideous and I'm going over the edges. No, I think I lost the intensity of Darkness again. What's happening? The eyeshadows are overlapping each other and I can't blend the edges with a lighter color. Then with the same brush, I'm taking the first eyeshadow. It is called Conch. I don't even know what that means. And I will try to highlight this area because it looks very muddy. I think I made it work, but it's very weird that the matte eyeshadows are not looking very smooth on the eyes. After that, with an angle brush, I'm taking again this dark eyeshadow. And this brush is by Essence. It is from the Glowing Gold Strength Edition. And with this one, I'm lining the upper lash line. Darkness is my favorite eyeshadow of this palette, for sure. And I'm also adding some on the outer lower eye. I don't like so much the eye look that I have created today. A lot of the eyeshadows are dusty and powdery, not easy to work with a brush or even the fingertips. I think they have done a very nice job with the color story, but the formula, the quality is not there. I'm not a huge fan of this one. I have applied mascara off camera. Nice stem for the highlighter and also the lipstick. I have used the highlighter with the E40 brush by Sigma and it looks super soft on the skin. If you want something smooth and natural on your skin, this is looking very nice. I love the design of this one. And after that, I'm going to take a tissue and I'm going to remove what I have now on my lips. And then I'm taking the lipstick. This one is the Disney Villains Ursula Full Satin Lipstick in the shade 1 Villainous Nude. We have Ursula on the packaging. It looks super pretty. And this is the color that we have. I think the color is a little bit lighter, or I was expecting something darker. And it's very creamy, very comfortable on the lips. I think it's gonna look better if you outline the lips with a lip liner first. It's a very nice, natural, peachy nude lipstick. I think this one goes very well with the colors of the eyeshadow palette. I mean, it goes very well with the eye look. The scent is weird. It is like a sweet, plasticky scent. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite product of today's video, and you can watch next this one here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!